We Talk Football SA. Inform, entertain, educate, promote. I hope you're going to do one of these. This video is brought to you by Federal Security Services. Orlando Pirates 2, Durban City 1. Inalili Cosimo.
Yeah.
Kosi. Awusikhumbuze igama.
Yeah, igama nguSimthembile.
Where's Mthembile?
Yeah, Simthembile ubuye Eastern Cape. Yeah, so ngimele Eastern Cape la esikhosi. Yeah. So
Umdlalo uphethe kanjani namhlanje?
yona umdlalo obesharp today. It was a very entertaining game.
Yes.
Although we know masiza la eOrlando 95% yama-team azala azodliwa.
Yeah.
And we are lucky that we are the only team engasozizela esigodini. We are not allowed to abuye umuntu la. But one thing esiyifunayo, ama-teams when they come here esigodini, they must give the Pirates a tough time.
Like
don't come here and ownerish fixture. Then thina sizothola uDr. Ivan Khoza, ubaba wabantu sithi ngokuthengisa amagame, but wena you come here uzo ownerish fixture, you sit at the back. At least Durban City, they come and they play. You see, bafuna winner, and the Pirates they give something yokucabanga ukuthi now we have to think out of the box. I think Durban City played very well because bathole red card early. I don't know ukuthi ama rules amba kanjani, but I don't think ukuthi umuntu mawusomnika penalty you must also give a red card engekabi na yellow card. I think you're supposed to give yellow card and penalty, but the rules is change every day because before World Cup, before World Cup, ebeshiya sayazi ukuthi athini. But Pirates they deserve to win today because ball position, they press. I'm impressed with the intensity abadlala ngayo, level of fitness. Also, let's give the credit to the conditioning coach because Pirates fit is not easy. 120 minutes ubaleka ngepace one, but it's something Pirates may fund because he's gonna play in Champions League. He's gonna play against maybe teams that are organized defensive. Some of our games you can't run 120 minutes or 90 minutes. Umbatha show the experience today, try to take the game, but our fans they didn't understand the assignment. Because they want the goals. Because sometimes not a team in a red card or a defender, you need to be patient, extra pass, to control the game. So Umbatha you told our fans are panicking because the Pirates are not used to extra time. Because the Pirates first 25 minutes used to get a goal. So they become frustrated, but they need to learn this season is over more tough because by a defender. Because the team they want to disturb the Pirates now. So but it was a very good game, but not to 11 the Pirates, but it's the second game for the season. We can't expect much, and we still. But I'm happy for new players. Because you see, I'm Masilela. It's a typical Orlando Pirates. We lose many wingers Pirates. So one thing I like about the Pirates is Tika Kunjele. They don't compromise with changing the left. So let's congratulate them. Hopefully, so semi-final.
Man of the match.
Man of the match, for me, Ushan performed very well. He was a candidate for man of the match. Also, the number 27, the center back. I don't know if you know, but the name. Also, Unganana performed very well. You can't come after Lama comments Escudine and you give a good shot. Because I'm friends, they try to intimidate you. He showed character. We need those players for the national team. So, but we don't need only the performance Michael and the Pirates. We need the performance. I have a consistent for you. So if you can give a consistent performance, it's a candidate for the national team because we want a big heart, more of Abombogas. We need maybe 5 Bogas, Abanala so that because Maudala against these teams in Africa, you will be intimidated. You are playing strong guys. So we need players like Abu Manana, but Angayenza Maidala only against Pirates. So it's a player to watch this season. So Bukela, Anga sneaky only performance in my life good team. But we are deserve Manana.
I'm recommend I know about Kaiser Chiefs to time size.
Nana Miguel. So Nana for me it's a good player, but to be honest, Durban City I didn't watch them but I watched them Gwyneth Bank. They are a very good team. more special defensive. So Unganana, I think I will watch him maybe next season. But for now, I don't want to give credit. We play my tournament man of the match against Orlando Pirates because you have only 29. You have 29 teams to play, so you can't only play against Pirates. And we give you are one of the best. So Sizombukela, but he's promising. I like the character because Lions when I always come there, I see it's a spiritual background there. You can see him even to and I like the way he Pirates he use him on the home ground guy. He use it to the way they intimidate.
Maybe other teams can learn something.
Yeah, they can learn something. But the only thing, but you can't change Pirates fans because they have a small heart. Sometimes when the results are not coming, they tend to abuse their own players.
Right now, not tomorrow.
Yeah, so but I like the way he home ground Pirates a corner. Hopefully indaba yabo yamatikiti yongena ebaleni it can be fixed because I believe today is supposed to be sold out. But abantu now they're starting ukusaba ukusistadium because there are many things. But yonke into eyenzeka kahle ihlala ineziphele.
Kodwa labo otsotsi abadayisa amathikiti embombayi la mhlambe asazi ku-security ukuthi khona ithikiti lembombayi lesena na noma kanjani wabela ne-technology noma mhlambe ama-security kuyaxoxeka nawo udlula sazi.
So I think angifuni ukuthi uPSL makahirishe i-security zakhe because I don't want imisebenzi yabantu iphele. If maybe they can pay ama-security well because ama-security they come here maybe ngabo 11 they left late ngabo 7, 6 imali lunch maybe bayithola kuphi we don't know ukuthi babhataleka kanjani.
But they signed for it.
They
signed it. No, it's a nice conversation. I like it. But if
you forget on then to sign.
No, you're not putting a con because you have an option to say no.
That's why I'm saying PSL has got a lot of money. If I want to go betway and stuff, I don't want to say to PSL, Makabena security act. I'm gonna use maybe security from outside because I don't want to put abantu bangathola amathenda and stuff. But we don't know the actual thing. Put it. The security, they are played well.
Maybe it's a matter of supervision.
Yeah, because we don't see the PSL members because it's only police and the security. Those people, they don't understand football.
Maybe
we
they
need
should be.
we need people from PSL
who can just monitor
to come,
to
come and assist.
Put some videos there.
At least to try to
but to be honest, today I was very happy with security because I had a problem with the network. So I ended up going up the street when there was network. Then I took some screenshots. But I took screenshots. But then when I came, they said, no, yes, we see your screenshots and we can see that you received some email. But we need a ticket on the email. So make a plan. I had to stand there, put my phone up in the air until the ticket came out. It was frustrating, but it was correct because also as a security man, that's what I instill in myself.
But the problem with black people is the consistency. Because people today, they try to come early to stadium because teams, they try to make entertainment, they pay artists to do entertainment.
So that you don't get
but the problem is the consistency. Because we saw Chukile last week, then we come early today, and the securities today forecast and stuff. But the problem is the consistency.
Tomorrow, keep it that way.
Because next week, maybe when we come,
come in with the security.
Then we must. We need consistency. And also not only security, even us, we need to come early to the stadium. And
not take chances.
But we understand also it's people are making business inside, but things are expensive inside. So if you come here 1 o'clock, you have to eat, but you get power at 40 rand.
No, carry. No, it's very easy. Carry your lunchbox, eat it outside, and then go in if you cannot afford. But also, we promote that people come and buy from inside here because people are making business and they are paying rent, maybe, I think. So both is good, but we just have to think how is your pocket affected.
But we need to do more of these conversations and we need to do research. Other countries, what they do. Because even in World Cup, we see Japan after the game, they clean up. You see some other countries, they have
some good initiatives.
So we need to not just to sit and fold our arms about this, because kuzokwenzeka something, I'm sensing something, and I'm even scared of if you can get it at the semi-final early with these things. Even the last game, you see what happens.
The stadium was so packed, there was only the passages.
So we need to do something about this, and also us as a fans, we need to buy legit tickets. We need to come to the stadium early. We need to play our part. Also, the teams, they might not sit and wait for something to happen, and they will do condolences and
And I thought now not as because I support one of the two, but not as a supporter. I thought it was good that last game between Chiefs and Pirates was a draw, because I thought if the stadium is this full, then the stadium can fall down if one team can score.
Even if you remember the Durban City game against Pirates, the stadium was so full.
There was not even a space to walk.
So I think I think the club and PSL, they need to do their part. Also, as the supporters, we need to do our part. And we miss those PRO, like the time of Abopad, Coma Fan. People are connected to the fans. Sometimes I can feel fans are isolated.
So they don't know what's happening.
We need more engagement. Naglama branches, they come closer because they are benefiting that. We are buying merchandise. We've been like break up our chances and then we spend a lot of money buying merchandise. And then if the capacity of the stadium is 50,000, the ticket is 100 rand. Is close to 5 million without counting the VIP and stuff. So they are making a lot of money with fans.
So they must.
So they must respect the fans, and also us. We need to play our part because we are the one that we're gonna be in trouble.
Right there on Friday, we were shooting with the chairman, Ubabu Chwaka Bucks. He said, we as supporters, we are just volunteers who are having fun in the stadium, but we are more important to our families. So if you don't have a ticket, don't come, because we don't want stampede. We don't want people to die in the stadium, because we are more important to our families than we are to our clubs. So I think those kinds of conversations are very important. And I don't know where did you come from, because now we are discussing such important issues.
Even I would advise, it's good to come with kids at the stadium, but I think I would advise to choose games. If you see, okay, Chiefs is playing FNB with Marumo, it's not going to be that. You can come with your kids, because unless you afford EVIP, because it's very difficult to come with kids here at the stadium. And also we need to address the issue of smoking. You can't smoke dacha inside the stadium. We need to have some...
Not even vape, I think.
Dacha straight, So there are a lot of things we need to stop as a fans. But the clubs, they need to connect with fans. They need to play their part. They need to assist fans. They need to come close to fans. Also fans, they must have some benefits. We understand they can run competitions and stuff, but I need the club to be close to fans, so that fans can feel like part of the team, because many
like
fans...
you said, like before the time of Louis Splinter Chakwana Chiefs.
But we need to be connected.
Alex Chakwan, and myself in my dreams.
But at least the season is still new. We must not put pressure on anyone, any player, to PSL. Let's just wait and see. Before we close, I would like to congratulate my favorite coach, Icho Musimane. New job Bafana Bafana is announced today.
It was announced?
He got it. Most successful coach in Africa, 21 trophies, 3 CAF Champions League, 3 Super Cups, but he's not going to do it alone. We need to support him, because there is a lot of politics inside. We need to support Pito. We need to believe in Pito. Also, Pito, don't be isolated. Come and work with clubs. Pirates, Chiefs, and Sundowns, all the PSL teams, about the their players here you can select. We're speaking about Nanan. We need about CMA national team. We need new Pizzo to go about MLS. Come with about Puso Titejana there. All the players. We don't want the coach that will undermine. Yeah, we don't want. We want Baba Chwaka to go to the next World Cup. We want to qualify. Yeah, he's a legend. Yeah, let's.
Siyamjinga uJwaka ku-Pirates. Bafana bafana. Yeah. No, in closing, let me tell you this. When I finish what I'm doing right now, I'm gonna drop Coach Pitso Mosimane a WhatsApp and say congratulations, Coach. But let me do it in camera. I didn't know because we've been running around without a network. Congratulations, Coach Pitso. But I'm gonna send you a WhatsApp personally. Then, in closing, my brother, tomorrow it's Chiefs versus Arrows. In 30 seconds, what can you say?
I think it's going to be an entertaining game, but very tricky because Arrows is got a new technical team. We don't know what to expect. Our signing of player Maningi, we don't know what to expect to them. But hopefully, coach is going to retain the lineup. We see a different Kaizer Chiefs with high intensity, exciting signings, but even. Because it's a cup game, it's very tricky. You see, almost wins again. So even if it wins again, let's give coach time, let's give players time. I believe in this coach. Youngsters, I'm impressed with two big teams in Soweto believing in youngsters. So it's promising for South African football. But I'm expecting Kaizer Chiefs to win tomorrow. But I will accept any results because you can't trust my team.
And some say. I can't deny that. But some say this could be Mfundo Vilakazi this season.
I like that boy, but I disagree with that. I don't think Mfundo is there. But what I like about Mfundo, even if he can give assists and goals, of which is good for a forward. But I don't want to put more pressure on the boy. Expecting, let's give him time. The only player that I'm expecting to rise to the occasion this season, it's Lebohang Mabo. He finished very well last season. Also, Brendan Peterson. I think those ones can be contenders for AMA Awards at the end of the season. Mfundo, I'm not convincing. I'm not even sure if they play in good position right. I will give him time, but I believe Umfana. He look like Umfana discipline of Fundisekai. All the best, but I'm not convinced. I can't say Uti is going to be the contender for the playoff season.
We talk football SA. So, Chairman,
ukhumbule phela ithwasana la eSporting
Bonke
okuhle uma kwadlula kwiOrlando Pirates Football Club kuyakulandela we salute you Pitso bese sakaseka kubafana uma usubuye again back congratulations baba sithathe usibeke kwenye level lapho eshiye khona uBrumo wena eqangale kwakhona ujabulisa isizwe siyakubongela sithi thank you very much.
Congratulations, Coach Pitso Mosimane.
We talk football. Please subscribe. Please, Coach Pitso, subscribe.
We
talk football.
First podcast to congratulate you.
We talk believe in you. We talk football. SA. Please subscribe. And tell your wife, your children, your family, subscribe. We need your support.
Today's cameraman was Skumbozo. Siaba.
Thank you.